Hey y'all, this is just a real quick video to show you what I did yesterday. I cooked, let's see how many, these are pinto beans that I've freeze dried. And you could also dehydrate them exactly the same way. They would work exactly the same way. I'm going to use them for throwing in soups and whatever, but mostly for refried beans. So what I did is I used my pressure cooker. You can cook them on the stove top or whatever. You can hear my little dog with his squeak toy in the background. But anyway, I did 3 batches. I have 2 big pressure cookers. So I did 1 run on each and then a 3rd run with 3. So I did 9 total cups, and it turned out to be 4 large trays for my freeze dryer. This would have easily filled my 8 tray dehydrator. So that was 9 cups. But I just want you to see how beautiful they turned out. You could rehydrate these and just make beans. You could throw them in soup. You could throw them in chicken chili. You can do white chicken chili. You can throw them in regular chili. You could do this with this is pinto beans, but you could do this with any kind of bean. Any kind of bean. I have a lot of red beans that I throw in chili and things like that. But I really like this for refried beans. So I just thought I would just give you an idea on something that you can freeze dry or dehydrate. Cook them first, drain them, spread them out on your trays, and dry them for quick refried beans. So that's it, guys. See how dry they are? They just turned to powder. So I just wanted you to see that. I wanted to give you another idea for food security, food preservation. I don't plan on doing long-term with these. I plan on using these as, starting now, whenever I want to make refried beans or do whatever I do with them. But they would certainly be freeze drying. You could Mylar bag these up, and they'd last you 25 years probably, and at least a couple of years, 18 months to 2 years, if you dehydrate them. So that's it for today. Talk to you soon. See you on the next video. God bless. Mwah!